So we are here for the unboxing of my AirPods. Here. Thank you. So, Sharon, ako na yata yung pinakaswerteng nanay sa buong universe. Kasi may early Valentine's gift ako from my son. And this is the AirPods na binili niya sa Mac Store. Ito yun, guys. For my content, I'm going to have an unboxing of my AirPods today. Which was bought here in Power Mac. Today, I'm going to have an unboxing of my AirPods.
Well, in terms of noise cancellation po.
Yeah, super good.
Kapag may tumatawag po kayo, ayan, may katawagan kayo, yung background noise, hindi siya marinig nung kausap.
Unlike sa iba, no? Yung ibang ganyan. Pero may mga imitation, no?
Yeah. Like with the originals talaga or authentic.
So, this is the recommended color. So, this one. So, 1 Tera. Nakalaktin ka, excited. So, ito na yung new AirPods ko na in-unbox ko na kanina doon sa Power Mac. So, here it is. This is the box. Okay. And this is designed by Apple. And ito yung nasa loob. So, there's the AirPods manual. There you go. So, it's really active noise. There's an active noise cancellation. There you go. Itself, ano naman, you can understand it naman upon reading it. Ayan. Here's the manual. And Jaran. Here it is. Ayan, guys. So, this is it. So, we have charged this already. If you can notice, yan, meron siyang earphone dyan, may microphone dyan, ayan. Very maliit na talaga. Sa mga meron dati, di ba, medyo malaki. This time, ang edition is medyo maliit na siya. And may air cancellation. Ang ganda nito kasi, kahit ang ingay-ingay yung nasa likod mo, hindi mo talaga siya maririnig. Especially kung nag-meeting ka, guys, or may kausap ka, may conference call ka. Sobrang helpful nito. So, this is it. Ayan. So, this is designed by Apple. Diba? This is designed by Apple. And sobrang first, actually, yung ibang ganito ko, ibang brand. So, mako-compare mo talaga. Mako-compare mo talaga siya. And this is it. Ibalik natin dyan. So, let's eat. Thank you. So, that's my unboxing. Thank you so much for my AirPods. Yeah. This is a Valentine's gift from my Oniko Iho. Maraming salamat. The price is ilalagay ko dyan sa baba. Mura lang naman siya. Affordable. This is by Apple. And what surprises me, guys, ay bumili rin ng anak ko ng Hello Kitty na lalagyan kasi hindi ako maingat sa gamit. Pag hinigaan ko na yan, baka nasira na. So, Jaran, there's the Hello Kitty. Ang cute. Lagayan ng AirPods. So, ilalagay na natin ngayon ang AirPods dito sa Hello Kitty na lalagyan. Yun. So, ganyan na natin yung AirPods. Ilalagay natin dito. And this is it. So, ito na yun. It is as easy as this one. Jaran. There you go. You can charge it also. Hindi mo na kailangan tanggalin dito pag chinarge mo kasi ayun, shoot na shoot lang siya. Gwapa na masyado yung aking AirPods. Ayan, naka Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Ayan. So that's the end of my unboxing of my AirPods. Maraming salamat for supporting my channel at maraming salamat sa nagbigay ng AirPods ko for today. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng members, channel friends, mga hindi kaibigan na naging kaibigan from other network. Maraming salamat. This is Mel D. Baldovino Vlogs. Bye, Hello Kitty. Bye.
Mel D. Baldovino Vlogs. Supportahan po natin, ha? Papis Mel D.
Inabati ko lang si Mel D. Baldovino at syempre, subscribe na rin tayo kay Mel D. Baldovino Vlogs para na matuwa siya na kayo'y nagsisubscribe sa kanya. Please do subscribe to Mel D. Baldovino Vlogs. Berani mga bate at ako, kahit ako, magsusubscribe.